Friends, today we are going to discuss on the article Bacterial Genome. Now, before starting this, we should know what are bacteria. So, bacteria are small, microscopic and unicellular prokaryotic organisms. I'll see one by one. What are small? Small are very minute, which can be observed under only microscope, hence it is microscopic, and their body is made up of single cell, that is unicellular. And the meaning of prokaryotes is their body, the entire structure is without prominent nucleus. Hence we are saying it as prokaryote. So I will repeat, what are bacteria? Bacteria are small, microscopic and unicellular prokaryotic organisms. So this is what about bacteria. And the next point is genome. What is genome? Is the entire set of DNA including all genes of an individual. So both together we can say it as bacterial genome. It means what is that DNA along with its genes present in those microscopic unicellular prokaryotes. This should be included in bacterial genome. And here I have drawn the figure of one bacterial cell to show how the actual genome is located inside a cell. This bacterial cell shows this one chromosome where the genetic material, that is the genome, which is present as single circular double stranded DNA. It is single, its number is 1, it is circular and it has double stranded DNA. So as we know that DNA is made up of nucleotide structures and it is double stranded helical structure. That information is generally known to us, but what is different thing present in bacteria is it is circular in its appearance. And here I have shown by drawing one figure that it is no doubt it is double stranded, but it is circular in its appearance and it is specifically present in one region, and that region is known as nucleoid region, where the particular single chromosome is observed. And in addition to that, there is one more circular smallest segment which is located over here, is known as plasmid in some of the species of bacteria. So that plasmid is extra chromosomal self-replicating DNA, and that is also present in some of the species of the bacterial cell. So this is what about the actual location of both these DNAs present in the single cell. Sometimes they are saying the bacteria as the haploid structures. Now what is haploid is? Haploid is when any individual is with single set of chromosomes. It is haploid. But if we see the life cycle of a bacterial cell, for a very shorter lifespan, it is observed that during the cell division it becomes diploid. But the time span for the diploid phase is very short, and therefore we are generally using the term as bacteria has haploid structure. And just now I have mentioned that generally the bacterial cell with the plasmid, with the genetic material or DNA, and if that is there, it has antibiotic resistant property. So this antibiotic resistant property, this word is related with the medicines. Whenever we are using the medicines in the form of antibiotics, that antibiotics are generally reduced or stop the growth of bacteria. And if plasmid is there in the bacterial cell, it resists those medicines, and that is one of the characteristic of bacterial cell and the bacterial genome. Thank you.